With the construction site here at Faith of our primary school, it's a fantastic opportunity for our young people to come and do some work experience with Hutchinsons, a really high class, reputable builder in the district and internationally. So it gave our students exposure to what industry actually is like, and the opportunity to do work experiences in addition to their standard Certificate 2 in Electrotech or the Certificate 2 in Construction, which they're doing back in the classroom and in those simulated workspaces, but then to actually see what it's like here on site is a fantastic benefit to them when they're making their career choices moving forward. So as part of the certificate, we make sure that all those students have their white card, which is a safety card that you need to be able to enter into any construction site. So we make sure they get that up really early in their training as part of their qualification, but this is in addition to their qualification. It's not a requirement of it. Depending on what stage the construction is up to and when their work experience is scheduled, we've only had 1 or 2 students on site at any one time, so that they get a lot of exposure to what's happening. So at the moment, the electrical roughing and the roofing is happening, whereas back when this program probably started, they were doing the brick and the block. So getting aspects of different trades as we progress through the whole construction process, and the best thing is it's here on site, so when they drive in every day, they can see that progress as it happens.
I'm more of a hands-on person. I feel like I learn way more than just like sitting there and listening. Learning how to be more like critical thinking when you're on the site, because obviously there's a lot of things that go on the site, and you just have to like know what you need to do, what needs to be done.
Sitting in a classroom all day isn't really my style, so I like hands-on type of thing. Well, I've learned that you need good time management skills. You need to be able to do multiple things at once and thinking about where things are, how you need to do them, and just what you've got to do them with and what other people need done in that time frame. If you think you want to go into a trade, I would recommend getting work experience first.
It's a great initiative in general, so we're happy to facilitate that and bring the guys through. The next generation of subcontractors, electricians and carpenters and concreters are all important to our future, so we're more than happy to give the guys a taste of what it's like in the real world. When most of the guys come here to start off, we like to have a quick catch up and see what sort of things they're interested in. So if we can, and the time suits, we'll pass them on to electricians or the plumbers or the carpenters and sort of give them that taste of what they really want to look for after school.
We don't have enough tradies in South East Queensland, so the opportunity and pathways for these young people is phenomenal, and to be able to provide that is fantastic. And the number of students that we continue to get through the vet and the vet sector and the trade centre in particular is just testament to the quality of our trainers and the programs that we offer.